Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully load our block component. So that is our block component. So now I want to actually load our another page as a block details. So now if you want to load it, then what exactly you have to do? First of all, you have to put some of the link, right? So now there's a blog HTML. We don't need this. So in our home here, I want to put some of the link, so that will be as a blog details. So I just simply added as a blog and then details. Okay, I just name it as a blog details, and also here we have to add that link. So I just simply add this link. Perfect. So now we have to create it. That means here we have to add this link. I just simply copy, paste, and here it will be as a blog details. So now I just simply added our block details, and also we have to create another component. I just want to create another component as a block details. Okay, so this type of one of the component I want to create. I just simply copy it, and in our components area I want to create new file and name it as a block details.jsx. So that is our block details. And here I want to load one of the class component. So I just simply paste it. That will be as a class component, and our component name will be as a block details. So now I just simply update as a block details and export default our block details. So now we have to import it. We have to import in our header, right? So now go our header, that means in our common header, and here after this, first of all I want to load it. I'll load our block details. So that will be as a block details, and that will be as a block details from our components into the components I have created as a block details, right? So I just simply loaded our block details. Perfect. Now click as a save all, and now refresh it. Now go to our pages and block details. Yeah, you can see it's perfectly loaded our header and the footer, right? So now we can actually add this portion on here. So for the block details, if you go to our template, that is our block details template as a block details.html. so it will be like that. Okay, it will be just like that. So now first of all I want to actually take it. That is our block details.html. that means in our that is our block details.html, right? So now I just simply open it in our Visual Code Editor, and from here I want to actually take our main part, that is our main. So I just simply copy it, and now in our block details area here I just simply paste it, right? So now here we don't need that our comments. And that's also one of the input field. For the input field, as I told you, we have to end it. So I just simply close it. Okay, I just simply close it, and then that is our images. So for the images, we have to close that images. So I just simply close it, and here I just simply close all that our images first on here. Okay, I just simply close it, and then that is our all that category, the images. So for the images you have to close it, and there is another images. I just simply close it. Okay, I just simply close it, the images, and then there is the another input field. You can see there is another input field here. We have to actually close it. So I just simply close it. So now there is our another one, there is another input field. So here you can see there is a multiple input field. So that is actually the text area, and then that input field, there are the 3 input field on here. So make that sure you close it. So I just simply close first one. There is an email, and there is our website. Okay, that means there is actually input field. So I just simply close both of these. I just simply close it, and then there is a address, there is our images. So I just simply close it, and then there is our another one. I just simply close it, and then the replace box, the close it, images, author images, and then there is actually another image. Okay, there is another image. I just simply close it, and then there is our another image. Okay, so there is another image, and then they have also one is visible. That means here you can see that I have also one of the comments. So better I want to do actually remove this comment. Okay, I just simply remove it, and now there is description. There is also another both of these comments. So I just simply remove it, and also there are the images, and for the images here I want to close it, and also there is the last one. You can see there is the comments. So I just simply remove it. So everything is now totally clean green. So everything is now total perfect, right? So now they have no error. So now if you want to click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, like here I just refresh it, yeah, you can see it's now perfectly loaded our blog details. So that is our blog details. Everything is now loaded, right? So it's now perfect. And also here, if you want to put some of the link for the home, I think you can already know about it, what exactly you have to do. So here you have to just simply updated your this portion, that means header part, and from here I just simply import it in our blog details. After this I just simply paste it, and also I want to take our home, that means this one. So here I just simply copy it, link, and then in our this portion, so here I want to update it our home, right? So I just simply updated it, click as a save all, and now if you refresh, and now if you go to our home without loading that page, it will be directed to our home. So about service is perfectly loaded, our portfolio is loaded, our blog is loaded, and blog details is loaded, right? So now I want to do in our blog page, into the blog page here, if you want to put some of the link, like here if you click as a this position, it should be directed to our blog details. So here you can also add it, because of all I have already created this path, right? So that is in our blog. So if you open our blog, into the blog area, here you can see that is actually our link as a Google Links pack that to 35 stories. So now I want to actually put that link. So I have already created one of the link for the blog details. So that is actually our blog details link, right? So now I just simply copy it. So here I just simply copy it. Now go to our blog site here. Before this, here I just simply paste it. And also you have to actually finish it. That means finish that link. So I just simply copy it, and now here in our blog site, after this here I just simply paste it. That means I just simply close it. Okay, so that will be our link. So now if you click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, that means here I refresh our blog site. Into the blog site area, I just put one of the link, it should be redirected to our blog details. Here you can see, if you now click as a here, yeah, you can see without loading that page, it's now redirected to our blog details page, right? So if you go to our blog, to the blog site, they have the 2 blog and 3 blog 4. Okay, they have some of the link. So if you want to put some of the link, you can put that link. So here I just simply added one of the link on here. So if you now click on here, it should be redirected to our blog details, right? It's perfectly now redirected. I hope, friend, you can well understand about it, how much easily you can convert any HTML site to any React.js project. So it's very much interactive, one of the things. So now if you go to home without loading that page, as I told you, it's totally one of the single page application, right? So without loading that page, how much easily, that is our home, that is our about page is loaded, that is our service page is loaded. Okay, so now if you already know about a little bit that HTML, you can customize it as per your demand for your client. Okay, so you can update your footer portion, you can update your header portion. So that is our service page, and then there is a portfolio page. So that is our portfolio page, that is our blog page, so that is our blog, right? And that is also the blog details page. So that is our blog details, and also there is our contact page. And also here, if you want to put some of the inner link, how can put some of the inner link, I think is very much clear to you, right? So now from here you can see it's now redirected to our another page, that is the blog details page. So we successfully complete to convert this HTML site. So that was actually one of the HTML site, and now I just simply convert it to the HTML to the React.js. How much easy it is, friend. I hope every part is very much clear to you. So we have already learned from everything from the basic fundamental, and now we will use it in our for converting this project HTML to the React.js. So in our next video, I want to discuss about that things with you. How can upload this project to the web server. So then I think everything will be complete for this project. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.